Today I'm going to show you how to field strip a Tokarev M-57. These were used in the Yugoslavian army from like 1957 up to 1992 when the country collapsed. It shoots a 7.62 by 25 cartridge, 30 cal. Shoots a bottleneck round. It's a very fast round. I think it's 86 grain. I've got some Army surplus ammo for it. And the first thing you want to do is check it. Make sure we're unloaded, and we are. Drop your mag. Then you can see on the right side of the pistol you've got a little cleat right here. It's got an elevated part to it. Sometimes you can use your thumb, and that's still pretty easy. A lot of times I'll take a plastic screwdriver handle and push on it. Now what you want to do is pull back on the pistol just a little bit and push in on your capture pin. It'll come right out. That's similar to a 1911. Then it'll slide right off. And you can remove your hammer assembly. That way you can work on it out in the field, replace it, whatever you need to do. And you can tell this is pretty much a John Browning design. Remove your spring, your guide rod. If you'll notice, it's two-piece. That way it'll bend so you can get it out of your firearm. Then you want to stand the pistol up on its end, and you've got a barrel bushing right here. Turn it halfway around, it'll lift right out. And you notice it's got a link like a Colt pistol. And then you want to come up here on the front of your pistol, lift up on the barrel just a little bit. Make sure your link's down. Pull right out the front of the gun. It's got a 4.6 barrel on it, inch barrel. It's got heavy lugs that lock into the slide for a good lockup. Now you can clean it, do whatever you need to, but that's pretty much all you need to do as far as breaking it down. And we just want to go back in opposite order like we came out. Slide your barrel in. You'll notice when it falls in place, it'll make a little click. That's set back in place now. You're in good shape. Then you want to put your bushing back in. Turn it back around. Bring your link up. And you'll notice on the back side of your guide rod, you've got a little V-notch here. That sits on top of your barrel. And you can see why your guide rod is flexible two-piece. It's similar to a AK. So you can bend it and get it around your barrel. And it'll sit right in place. Make sure your link stays up. Sit right in place. And make sure whenever you put your hammer back in, slides in its little notch. Make sure it's down all the way. Hold it whenever you start your slide back. And then you want to line up your hole. You can look through your hole. Watch whenever you put this back, don't go sliding up and down. So somebody's already got some idiot scratches on it. Barely take a little pressure off of it. It should fall right in there. Click right in. Then slide your clip back on, and that'll hold your breakdown pin. And this gun will not shoot without a magazine in it. And that's a complete breakdown on a Tokarev M-57.